Hello guys and welcome to Glide by Prep Eve, and today we are going to learn how to attempt the describing images type of questions in the DuoLingo English test. So yesterday we have already learned about how to attempt the extended writing type of questions, which is in which you have to write on a topic for around 50 words, 50 to 60 words, and today we are going to learn how to describe an image. In this video I am going to spoon feed you. I'm going to give you a structure. I'm going to give you 3 steps. Pick up that structure, follow those 3 steps. Don't make any grammatical error. You will get a score above 110, trust me. Okay, obviously if you are taking care of the other modules, but writing you will get a score above that, in fact even more than that. All right, moving on. Agenda for the day is how to attempt the right one or more sentences to describe a picture. Okay, so before we go into it, for the students who didn't attend yesterday's class, which is already there on YouTube, you must go and watch it. It is very important that we know on what parameters is the system evaluating us, right? So the system is going to evaluate your writing on the following 4 parameters. I have picked this up from the official DuoLingo technical manual available on their website. So lexical sophistication, grammatical accuracy, grammatical complexity, lexical diversity, task relevance, length, and fluency and acoustic features. That are basically for your speaking part. Now, if I tell you, there's a very simple strategy that we are going to use to address every picture, to describe every picture addressing all these parameters. Okay, so this is how the question is going to look. There will be a photo on the left hand side, and there will be a box in which you have to write one or more sentences that describe the image. So you have to write more than one sentence. Okay, we will address every image, every question in at least 2 or more than 2 sentences, minimum 2. Okay, let's do that, and we will do that in a very strategic way. Okay, so there's a very simple step by step process. Let me move you to that process, that what are we going to do. Okay, so the simple process that we have is that first we have to look at that photo and think of a good vocabulary word. Okay, as soon as you look at the photo, think of a good vocabulary word, that let me think of something nice, right? And you don't have to give it a lot of time, because obviously the test is timed, so you really need to spend some time learning some generic vocabulary words. On our other channel Preppy, I run a series known as Vocab Cafe. I try to teach you words in a fun way, right? Giving you Sidhu Moosewala songs examples. So just go there and try to watch those videos, they will help you out. So, very first thing, look at the photo and think of a good vocabulary word. Okay. Step 2, frame 2 simple sentences. What is a simple sentence? For example, the plane is about to land is a simple sentence. The plane will be landing in Brussels. This is a simple sentence. I want to go to Canada. This is a simple sentence. Okay. All these sentences are simple sentences in which you're just talking, like there is one subject, there is one object, simple sentence. Okay, finally combine these 2 simple sentences using a conjunction, using a coordinating conjunction, and turn those simple sentences into a complex sentence. So what did we do? We fulfilled our parameter of grammatical accuracy by not making a grammatical mistake. I expect you to do that. Don't make grammatical errors in 2 sentences, please. Okay, grammatical complexity, when we combined those 2 simple sentences, we made our answer, we made it look grammatically complex. Lexical sophistication, we have thought of a good word, right? So we are trying to show that our lexical resource is sophisticated. We have used some topic specific vocabulary, so we have shown that we have lexical diversity. Task relevance, obviously take care that you are addressing the image right. If the image is showing a plane landing, you are not going to talk about your birthday celebration. Okay, cool. And length, so if they are asking for one or more sentences, we are going to answer in more than one sentence, or in a compound sentence, so that we are able to show that we can write at length. We have fulfilled all these parameters. Now what else is left? Just tell me what the hell is left. Why won't the system, the algorithm, give you a good score? No reason, right? So let's practice. Okay, let's practice. My favorite part, let's practice. Okay, so this is the first image for the day. Okay, and what was the step one? As soon as I look at the image, I have to think of a good word. Okay, what is going to be that word? I will use the word jubilant, the one that we learned yesterday, right? What was jubilant? I helped you remember that. Who owns Domino's India? Basically, who owns Domino's in India? It is Jubilant Foodworks. When you eat Domino's pizza, you feel happy, so Jubilant is happy. Okay, connected like this, keep it in your mind. You might be able to use that in your real test. Okay, so very first thing, right? The picture depicts. Depicts basically means the picture shows. The picture basically, is trying to show. The picture depicts a kid in jubilant mood while celebrating his birthday. His friends are, let me just unzoom. His friends are around him to accompany him as well. His friends are around him to accompany him as well. Okay, so first simple sentence, second simple sentence. Now what we need to do, we need to combine them. Listen, if you can't do that, leave it. Even an answer like this is good. I understand that there are some students who can't connect the things well. If you can't do that, leave it here. Otherwise, if you can do that, let me teach you how, then you can just do that. The picture depicts a kid in a jubilant mood while celebrating his birthday with his friends around him to accompany him. Okay, simple, right? So we just turned a simple sentence, two simple sentences into combined sentence by connecting them. Okay, we just use the word with. So the picture depicts a kid in jubilant mood while celebrating his birthday with his friends around him to accompany him. Okay, so as simple as that, right? I don't think that you will be needing. Let me just turn WhatsApp off. Sorry. Okay. So the picture depicts a kid in jubilant mood while celebrating his birthday with his friends around him to accompany him. Okay. Or you can also write to accompany him on his special day. Done. Cool. Now let us address the second topic. The picture depicts two pilots flying the plane. Both of them are very focused because it is a very tedious job. All right, so the word that came to my mind was tedious, which basically means tiring. It basically means you have to be very focused. Okay, it is something that is that requires a lot of mental effort. Okay, so the picture depicts two pilots flying the plane. Both of them are very focused because it is a very tedious job. Now we have to combine these sentences. If you can, cool. If you can, leave it. The picture depicts two pilots flying the plane, and both of them are very focused because it is a very tedious job. Done. So I just added an and here and my job was done, right? So the picture director by trying the plane and both of them are very focused because it is a very tedious job, right? Or you can also replace very with extremely because we are repeating very two times. So let's replace very with extremely. If you can do that, okay. We are not targeting 150 in Duolingo, we are targeting 110. Your job would be done even if you can do that. Okay, all right. The picture depicts an army man. Wait, let me just put this up. Yeah, the picture depicts an army man on the battlefield. His contribution to the society is really commendable. So what? COMMENDABLE. What is commendable? So this is the word that came to my mind. Commendable basically means that is appreciable. Okay, that is very good. So if you are watching this video with focus, then you are putting commendable efforts to fulfill your dream of studying abroad. Okay, the picture depicts an army man on the battlefield. His contribution to the society is really commendable. Okay, the picture depicts an army man on the battlefield. Just add an and here, and his contribution to the society is really commendable. Okay, simple. So write two sentences, combine them using a conjunction. And is a conjunction, right? Most of the cases and works, right? So now I want you to obviously practice. Okay, and what I want you to do is that I just want you to go down in the comment box and write down a sentence using conjunctions. That's it, combining two sentences. Why do we want to do that? Because we want to show the examiner, we want to show the system, the algorithm, that you have grammatical complexity. This is a complex sentence, as simple as that. Okay, so this is it, simple, easy. All right, and I want to tell you guys something. So today is 7th of May, right? So today, 7th of May, I will be coming live on this channel in the evening, and it will be happening somewhere around 7 p.m. I believe. So 7:15 p.m. and we will be practicing completing the text, basically the filling up the blanks, right, and recognizing real English words. We will practice at least five sets of those questions. So see you live in the evening. Okay, 7:15 p.m. I will try to go live. I have a few classes before that, so I will try to go live at that time. Okay, and for the people who also want to prepare for IELTS academic, because don't forget, as of now there is no information if you will be getting a visa based on DuoLingo, so you might have to take the IELTS academic test as well. So for that, do prepare. If you take DuoLingo, you get your offer letter, and then you fail in IELTS, your heart will shatter. Okay, from shatter I want to teach you another word. So this image from the official DuoLingo practice test, right? When I look at this image, the word that comes to my mind is shatter, right? Shatter क्या होता है? हम कहते हैं ना, मेरा दिल चूर चूर कर दिया तूने. So if someone breaks up with you, next time you have to say that you have shattered my heart. Okay, you know, she might just come back, or he might just come back, because he might say that, okay, at least she has a good English, or he has a good English, right? Just my boring jokes. Okay, so you will say that my heart has been shattered because of you. आज से आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मेरा दिल चूर चूर कर दिया तूने. Okay, so let's not risk shattering our dreams. The link to join this course is in the description. So even from the yesterday's video, there were around 3 to 4 students who have joined the course. So you join it as well. What are you delaying, right? Why are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? And I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. And if you're watching this video on this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. I am watching you. Hit subscribe. Thank you very much.